Hey guys, it's Edita. We're playing the Rise of the Tomb Raider. And last time we dealt with a bear. Luckily we poisoned it because there wasn't, no other way I could have dealt with such a massive angry bear. And then we got through its cave into some glaciers, ice stuff, I don't know, icy place. And yeah, I'm following some Mongolian ruins. We'll see where that gets us. I'm afraid I might need to dive into the water. Oh, which looks very cold. I'm curious, is it that way? Or this way? Oh no, that's where I came from, I'm sure. So I guess we're going under. Here goes nothing. Oh shit. Ooh. I didn't know about this. I figured I'll just check it out.
A sort of passport.
Paisa.
Whoever held this spoke with the authority of the Mongol Empire. It reads, "By the power of eternal heaven and order of the Empire, whoever does not show respect will be guilty of an offense."
Okay, we gotta show respect. Great, we got some supplies. Awesome. I have no ammo. That's not cool. Wait, I came from this way, right? Dive! Why is she not diving? Oh, right mouse button. Sorry. Well, I don't see any people. That's already a good sign. I feel safer already. Just very cold. Wait, did I go back? No? Then why is the box open? It's like I've been here before. Maybe it's just to give me hints that somebody else has passed here already. I forget to use this from time to time. Oh, okay. It really feels like I'm coming back. Am I though? Map is this way. No, I'm going in the right direction. Okay then. Okay, I remember how to use the controls properly. At least this time. Gosh, this must be incredibly cold. Like hypothermia, you know, immediately. No, I did get back to the cave. What? So what did I go to the cave for then? See? No, I should not be going this way. I think my way is there. Yep, I think I simply swam back. By mistake. This is the place. Yes. Okay. Or maybe that's all? Oh, she's running out of air. Ah, then I'm... Oh, salvage something. Yes, please. Nice. Then I'm supposed to go this way. I got it all wrong. Oh, I want optional challenge too. Terrifying. Can I do this jump? Yes, I can. Okay. Wait. Whoa!
A Byzantine war galley. How did it get down here?
This really gives me flashbacks of that pirate love story from Far Cry 6. Interesting. Okay, we do this.
Mongolian. They passed through here. I must be close to the lost city.
Okay. So I think this was my cue to go this way. If I continue straight, I would have just gone past and avoided exploring the ice ship.
Must be something up there.
Quite terrifying. How am I supposed to just jump? I mean, I died here already so many times, especially with a bear, that I guess nothing else, you know, scares me as much. Ooh. Let's loot first. Excuse me. Map? Oh no, a message.
The Maria Dula is trapped. The ice gave way. Her spine snapped in two.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's the ship.
Well, I hope to wield her cannons against the false prophet. We will continue on foot. I have 6 of the Order of Trinity's best, and we have been stockpiling food and supplies while the sailors starved. They do not know it yet, but they will give their life for the cause. My men and I will find our way out of these icy caves and continue on foot.
Before the ship was swallowed by the ice to the south, we heard music. That will be our first stop, but first I must rest. The cold has sunk into my bones and I am drowsy, just a little sleep. Okay, then I guess I need to crank this up. Smash, smash, smash. Ooh, hello. Something came. And I think I'm supposed to go that way because I don't think I can do much. Ooh, or maybe I should climb up. This is interesting. Scary, but interesting. Okay. Yeah.
Yes! That did it.
Okay, I don't know did what, but gave me climbing space, I think. Okay, to the left. Very dramatic music. Wait, something else? Crank it, no, rotate it. Oh. And if I release it, will go back up? Ah, I see now. It goes all the way there. Oh, Jesus. Hurry. Yes. Woo. Nice. Now please put me down safely.
Got it.
Thank you.
Now to find out what's up there.
Climbing up. Wait. Use the second hand. Thank you. Do I go up? I don't think there's a point. I think I should be jumping up. Ooh, something shiny and glowy. And there's coins.
Look at all this. Why were they carrying so much wealth with them?
Ooh, man, this was so worth it. I got arrows. And updated my map. Ooh, what is this?
This codex details the archery techniques of the foes of the Byzantine Empire.
Ancient abilities. Quickly shoot up to 2 successive arrows without the delay of withdrawing from the quiver. Cool. Rapid fire or arrows. I want to say allows arrows by quickly pressing and releasing L mouse, left mouse, after an arrow is first shot. I guess we'll figure it out. Nice. Is that all? Oh, didn't pick this up.
It's done.
I'll read faster. We'll die here. Thanks to Caraldus and the madness of the Order of Trinity, my ship will never see water again. We entered the glacial sea too far into the winter, would have been turned back, but Caraldus would not abandon this lost prophet. He and his dead-eyed warriors seized control. He forced the ship through shallow tributaries until we could go no further. Then he made my crew construct sled runners, and the bastards forced us to tow the ship over land. It was death and excommunication to deny him. But it was death either way. I will make sure he dies here with us. I have always kept a little poison at the ready in case the ship was taken. Now it has another use. So I guess the food that they were stashing away from the people, you know, had poison in it. Okay. And so we resume our journey. Yeah, I want to say, this looks like I'm gonna slide. Oop. Nice. Good landing. Ooh, something to climb that way, but also something to go on that way. Everything's so interesting. But I think this is just the way back. So I guess I gotta first check this box out.
A Byzantine brooch. The enamel work is beautiful.
Ooh.
This portrait has been defaced. It looks like it was
Ah,
depicting the prophet.
Done on
They
purpose.
must have had to hide their faith.
Damn. It's terrible. When you have to hide your beliefs. Okay. Okay. Interesting place we got here. Ooh, I expected like it to collapse. It looked like a very good edge that's very collapsible. This looks like I'm gonna slide. No, I won't. Oh no, there's water. God damn it. I guess we gotta go left, right. Let's go right. I think it's just a circle. Oh damn. Come to the surface. Oh, I lost some light even, I think. A fireplace would be great now. By the way, should I go back and check out? See, there was something. A document. And I'm pretty sure it's underwater. So I'm gonna... Oh, no, it's here. Haha, lucky. The madman continues on. I do not know what drives him. We pass through frozen mountains at the edge of the world. His people are dying. Every day I pass graves or bodies left along the faint trail. I have grown thin and hard, but I'm close now. My horse is dead, the mare that had been with me since the campaigns against the Bulgars. I butchered her and carried the meat on my back, but I'm so close. I can hear them singing just over the ridge, a joyous sound on the wind. The prophet will be dead within the week, and I will return to the Order of Trinity triumphant. Just one more day, and I will be upon him. How do you not question that? If people are singing, isn't it like a sign that they're happy? Why do you still want to kill it? How do you not second guess that the prophet is evil or whatever? They really believe it's their duty to... I don't know. It's odd to me. Uh-oh, Soviet installation. Like Soviet? Oh, fireplace, yay! LS. Uh-oh.
I'm not your enemy. That remains to be seen. You killed those men back there. I killed them to survive. I suspect you did too. How long have they been here? Days.
How do we
At
know that
most.
they're here? I don't see
The
any
invaders
smoke.
took many of my people prisoner. You should leave this place before it's too late. I can't do that. I came here for something important. So did they. If I see you again, I'll put an arrow in your throat. You and I are on the same side. I hope I can prove that to you. What's going on down there? Who?
And she's gone. Cool. Oh, is my hair so green? Must be that all icy water. Yay!
So, there are people who live out here, and they appear to have been here for a very long time, living in isolation for decades, maybe even centuries.
She's so pretty.
I noticed elements of her dress, small adornments that would not have been out
I
of
didn't pay
place in the
attention to what she's
Byzantine Empire.
wearing. I missed
Could
out.
they possibly be descendants of the Prophet's people?
Interesting
How much do
observation.
they know about the lost city or the divine source? It's clear Trinity will do anything to find out. I'm afraid that whoever they are, they're in grave danger. Let's hope the old proverb about the enemy of my enemy remains true.
Let's hope so. Okay, let's check out the brawler. I got one already. I take less damage from the gunfire. Significantly less damage from explosions and fire, not bad. Incapacitate unarmored enemies while dodging with the well-timed press of the F button. I don't know, I'm not so reactive sometimes. Enemies killed while in stealth will be automatically looted for resources. That's very convenient, but I don't want to waste the skill point yet. I also got arrow retrieval, which I think is useful. As you noticed, I struggle with the amount of arrows I have. Finding resources to make new ones. Breath control increase, steady aim time on bow charge slots. I like that. Increase the amount of ammunition looted from enemy corpses. Useful. Animals glow when using survival instincts. Damn, I think I will go for this one because I will need to hunt. So let's keep this option and check the survivor. Faster crafting, I don't throw anything. Not yet. That's useful, but I don't do that. Oh, that's also useful. I mean, challenge objects give me experience, right? But I think I will still go for this. I think it's very useful. Okay. That's the skill, and we can improve our weapons. Aw, not the bow. I mean, I wanted to improve the bow, but I don't have enough for it. Requires more cloth, I guess, and boars. Great. Some skins and cloth. I have enough, but I don't. Draw speed. Okay, and this one. Rate of fire. String knocks. Yeah, I would like that. Then clothes does not matter. I don't know why, but I have all of them available to me. Maybe I got some DLC, I don't remember. Climbing axe. Let's improve that. Sharpened edge allows the blade to slide farther into the gaps, improving leverage for increased pry speed. Oh, that's good. Prying is annoying. I'll go for this one. I mean, eventually we'll upgrade everything we can, right? So this point, let's just use what we've got. Equipment, I don't think I can. No, I lack so many resources for that stuff. So that's good. Okay, we will go explore the Soviet installation next. Oh, something shiny. Easily distracted. So yeah, we will go check it out next and what was the explosion about. And yeah, I see something. I don't know. I guess it was Svoboda, but I don't know what it means. Promise? No? Dream? No? I don't know. I will Google that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.